Today, I'm going to make cold ramen or Hiyashi Chuka. Hiyashi Chuka is a very popular summer dish in Japan. Restaurants serve it only during summer. We typically put cucumbers, tomatoes, fried eggs, hams, and seaweed for topping. It's perfect for a hot day and super easy to make. Let's get started. Cut the cucumber into thin slices. Cucumbers are rich in water and potassium and have a diuretic effect, which helps expel heat from the body. Slice tomatoes into small pieces. Slice the ham into strips. Crack 2 eggs. Whisk. Heat the pan and cook eggs with a low heat for a few minutes. Flip and cook for about 30 seconds. Cut the fried egg into strips. One tablespoon of seaweed. Add water and leave it for 10 minutes. The seaweed will absorb water and increase in volume. Bring water to a boil. Cook ramen noodles for 2 people. In the meantime, let's make the dressing. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of vinegar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Whisk. When the ramen is cooked, drain the ramen noodles in a colander and cool them with water and ice. Place ramen noodles on a plate. Arrange the toppings. Add the dressing. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top. That's it. It's so delicious even in the hot summer when you don't have much of an appetite. Give it a try.